The SmartLab is a great, unique lab that is the first and only of its kind in the state of Georgia. This lab is different. It's not a computer lab, but what it does is it brings children in and it engages them through hands-on activities. The children actually take control of their own learning. So basically it's self-directed learning. The students are learning different aspects of sound engineering. They're learning how to build computers. They're aligning their science concepts with mathematical. So basically if they wanted to learn more about physical science, they can actually make bubble solutions, and we can go to the veneer science tools and they can bring that in, and that's hands-on. Children are visual learners, they're kinesthetic. This will grab their attention, this engages them. They are, as you can see in the lab, they're having discussions about what to do, how to do it, what can we do to change these things. That makes them motivated to want to take whatever they learned in here to their classroom, or bring whatever they learned in their classroom to make their own ringtone beats and upload it onto their phones, because they're creating their own raps based on the concepts that they learned in the classroom.
I think the SmartLab is a great place for people to express themselves and be more freely, and to have more thoughts about where they want to be when they grow up, and just engineering and technology, lots of learning in here.
Well, it's going to help me lead to my future. It's teaching me things, it's making me become bigger and smarter, and it's helping me, and I have amazing thoughts that just keep on building and building.
Well, I want to be an engineer, and then if that doesn't work out, I would like to be a scientist. And because I love engineering and building stuff and making the world a better place.
Right now I'm focusing on singing and rapping with my friend. She's been helping me, and Ms. McRae-Jones as well, and my other friends, as you can see here.
My hope, my vision for this lab is for our kids to become 21st century learners. They're collaborating, communicating with one another. They're thinking critically, and they're taking these concepts, these skills, and bringing it to the real world, and they become the engineers of our future, the mathematicians, the scientists, the doctors, the graphic artists. They're doing that, and they're applying it to their lives to make our community better.